Okay, we've got a two-part question about stock and the capital gains and some gifting. As the beneficiary of the stock, someone wants to know if they pay capital gains on the receipt of that stock after the person passes, and what the best way is to share those interests with their siblings. Before I get there, I'd like you to think about a friend who's being challenged with a scenario that creeped up on them, but they were better prepared because you shared our videos. We would appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we're here to educate everyone for free. So please ask us your questions, and hopefully together we're going to help some folks along the way. Now, as far as the capital gains side of this question, if you inherit stock, you do not pay capital gains on your receipt of the stock, nor do you receive any capital losses on the stock. That only occurs when you go ahead and sell it. Now, the good news is that you inherited the shares, which means that your basis, it's another term for cost, in the stock when you go to sell it, is I'm going to call it the mean value. Let's just say the value of the shares on the date of the decedent's passing. In essence, you could sell it right away and have almost no tax impact. That's great for you. Now, if you want to share the interests in the stock with your siblings, you can do so through gifting it. Okay. When you gift something, though, I would suggest that you make sure the value of what you're transferring to any one person in any given year is under the annual gifting exemption. I think 2025 right now is $19,000. So if you have two siblings, you can give each of them amount of shares that is under that amount. That would be my suggestion, so you don't have to file a gift tax return next April. Now, by giving them a gift of the shares themselves, they are receiving your basis in the stock. Now, let me differentiate this a little. If you wait 6 months to gift these shares to your siblings and the value has gone up, your siblings don't receive it at that higher rate when you gift it. They still have your basis, which was the date of the inheritance. Also, if the value goes down, they don't receive it at the lower cost. They still have it at the cost at which you inherited. So it can go either way, where the value changes, but when you gift something, they have the same basis as you. We hope you've learned something new here today that you choose to share. And as always, please take care.